I am Axel, I am the Senior Marketing Manager for Baby World. Baby World is a retail chain for baby products that you can find all over the city of Phnom Penh or also online. Everything was done how we expected and the material are good. Really, everything is perfect. Your technician had a good communication with us, so we made sure that everything worked well. Everything was done as we saw. As we saw fit, and honestly, really no issue at all. We went back and forth with your team, and you guys always answer on time. And whenever we had an issue or we thought about something that might be wrong, you came back to us immediately. So yeah, technicians were good. They didn't crash on the panels or anything. They were professionals. They did what we wanted them to do. We could see your people were experienced, so we felt satisfied in at least with their work. So really we have no complaint about the work of the technicians. For the prices, well, we pay what we get for, so of course it's a bit higher than we expected, but at least we are sure that we got a quality work, and we could see that during the installation. Everything was done on time, and the quality of the work was good, and the service was appropriate, adequate. So really, it was fine for what we got, for what we paid. It would be important to anticipate a bit more the needs of the customer, because I'm sure the same complaints or the same needs always come at the same time, but there is no guideline to follow for this kind of thing. There is no FAQ. So we tend to communicate a lot, which might slow down the work. So I would recommend to have better guidelines, some kind of white papers that then we can follow in order to know what will happen. We are planning to open more stores all over Phnom Penh and probably out of the city, maybe in Siem Reap in the near future. Yeah. So we would definitely contact you again. If they want to be friendly to the environment as us, I would definitely recommend them to install solar panels.